Hey guys, and today I'm going to be eating pizza, square pizza. And if you haven't seen the last one, I'm doing a series of me just eating food and you guys just watch it. So, here we go. A 0 to 5, I'll give it 4.5. It's good. Good. Ow. Bit myself. Okay. Also comment down below what you want me to eat next. And then you might be picked and I might eat it. Okay. Good. Be right back, guys. And I'm back. So right now, I'm just going to be talking a lot. Also, a question is, what's your favorite movie? Comment down below. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and hit that bell so you can see more food videos. Goodbye.